Okay, so how to screen record or to record your screen on your phone. I mean on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show in 3 simple steps. So first of all, what you have to do is really just swipe, go to your settings and just go to your control center. Now, once you reach there, scroll down until when you see screen recording right there. Tap on it and you'll be able, at the moment for me, I've already received it. I've already activated it. So it will be in the green area right here. I've already moved it and you can see it's right on here. So the next step is to start recording. Now, what you need to do here is just swipe on your top right corner and just tap on the on your recording button, and you will see the moment you tap on it, it will start to show you that it will start to count on 3, and then it will start to record, and that is it really.